Hello, I am Dr. Ritesh, Head of Department Urology and Kidney Transplant at Metro Hospital, Faridabad. We have a young boy today, Mustafa. He unfortunately had an injury. A truck lorry fell over him at the age of 4 years, and after that he could not pass urine because he had an injury in his proximal urethra near the prostate, and he had multiple surgeries for it, and they all failed in different countries. He came to us with one catheter in the abdomen from where he was passing urine. Now he has undergone surgery. He's all catheter-free. He's passing urine. He's a young boy. He's happy to go to school without any catheter now, and he's passing urine normally. So all these stricture urethras where the injuries have happened, where the urethra has gone, distraction defects happen from the prostate, they all can be repaired surgically. In proper hands, this surgery has very good results. It can even happen at any age group. We had a young boy with this injury who is doing very well after surgery. He can tell his experience regarding what has happened here.
السلام عليكم إخواني الكرام. اليوم معنا أبو أحمد 𝐂𝐴𝐿 من كركوك. وصل عنا مع ابنه المريض اسمه مصطفى المصاب بالتشوه للإحليل والتضيق بالإحليل. صار له 10 سنوات يعاني من مشاكل التضيق والتشوه بالإحليل. سافر إيران، سوى عملية، ما نجح، ما استفاد من العملية، وأخيرا وصل عندنا يما الدكتور بروفيسور مونغا، هو رئيس قسم المسالك البولية وزراعة الكلية في مستشفى مترو دلهي، وسوى عملية ناجحة الحمد لله. مصطفى بصحة جيدة، وبكرة إن شاء الله يسافر للعراق. السلام عليكم.